Good day everyone, welcome to my channel and Happy New Year this 2023. In this tutorial video guys, I will discuss and then we will learn how to create a function that uses ternary operator in JavaScript programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for all the support last 2022. This 2023, I'm looking forward that I can continue my advocacy in my channel to educate and share my knowledge in technology, especially in computer programming. If you are new with my channel and then you like the content of my videos, kindly click the like button. Don't forget to share in other social media. And please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Basically, I'm using onecompiler.com. It is an online compiler that supports JavaScript in other programming language. Now here, ternary operators is another conditional statement in JavaScript programming language. So we have here a function, I called it gender, and then we have one passing parameter is gender, and then return is gender question mark. If it is true, then it will display male, else if it is false, it becomes female. We have here the begin, left curly bracket, and then we close. Now in line number 5, we have here console log to display gender true. So we are expecting the output to be female, male. And then console log gender false, we have female. So how about we will change this? Let's say we have here false in line number 5, in true in line number 8. Okay, so we click the run button here. So we have here the output. So line number 5, we have female because it is false. And then line number 8, true, it becomes male. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to declare and use function and ternary operator in JavaScript programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.